and I got to do it big. This is for the family. You don't know about the game. It's humility. Yeah, it's a drill to me. Man, I get a drill in me. Man, I get the money, man. You know that's the screwdriver. That's the motherfucking spirit. I kill him with these lyrics. I hit him up and then I fuck him up. I do my thing every day. It's no love, bruh. You wanna hate me, wanna judge me, wanna assume. You can see me coming down, man. I'm big by the boom. With the 9mm, put your bitch ass in the tomb. I'ma do my thing, I'ma do the do. I'ma come down, man. I'm like a Rubik's Cube. Man, I'm complex. Man, I'm ready. Got that rough six. Y'all get it. Get the money, man. I really need it. And I got to feed the needy, that's my family pity. Yeah, I'm coming down, life is like a tough titty. Man, I'm coming through, and that's life food. Wanna stop me? Do what you do. I'm like Walter Payton? Yes, sir. You can see me, it's a perfect picture. Man, I'm pulling the foe. Man, I'm linked out. Man, I'm Serpy. It's a Thursday. What's up, Booger Sandman and the Dizzle? You can see me coming down south side, we scissor. Man, I'm getting money, man, you know I got to splash. Man, I'm coming down, man, you know what it was. Keep on pushing, cause I do this for the cuz. Do this for my family name, do this for their bloodline. Cuz you don't know about the grind, got some fucking shine. Nigga, I'ma do everything I'ma do, and that's for real with mine. And it's a bunch of talk, gotta walk the walk. Oh, hope I could get something from talk to talk. Oh, I know talking shit, it don't amount to nothing. Shit, better learn something. Sitting there, couch potato ass nigga. I'm talking about myself, talking about you, nigga. Doing too much shit, that's good, nigga. Doing too much shit, that's hood, nigga. What he talking about? I'm just trying to tell you shit, you can make it for real now. Turn my shit off and come back to me, I'm still here. Shit, you got to handle business, you know I understand, player. And I don't care about them haters trying to hate my grind. I'ma keep on pushing, I'ma 8 with my. Yeah, I'm coming down and I got that spine. Got that ham bone, send your ass home. I'ma come down, yeah, like a redskin. You don't know about the game, man, I'm in it to win. Yeah, I won't finish cause life is throw. Yeah, I'm trying to finish cause I'm trying to hold. Trying to ain't in my vocabulary. You can see me coming down, yeah, on.